And this next one goes out to my family and friends in Colorado where I live now. I hope you love this song as much as I do. It's called Home. What a precious feeling to truly feel in peace with the gap in the voyage. I plant the finest seeds from the bottom of the river with the craft that weighs a ton. I smile as the clock ticks as I paddle towards the sun. With the rise and shine, I feel delirious as the waves wash over me. These are the times when I think to myself I should be grateful, full of the energy propelling me. I got the thinking of the better I live with a multitude of past in my face and my fingertips. Goddamn, I can never go back to a life full of fear and a sky full of dread. The plains meet mountains. Let it flow like a fountain. With the plains meet mountains. Let it flow like a fountain. Another hurdle in life that I've come to despise. Yet I made damn good on my thread. This is the way that I live. I reserve the right to make any change I deem fit. Anytime, any place, any job. Band, any fall, anywhere, any war. That's right, I'll be the judge of my world. To decide what I'll keep in this frame of mind I call home. You wanna try my patience on this? Step aside as I ramp right through this. You wanna try my patience on this? Step aside as I ramp right through this now. With the plains meet mountains. Let it flow like a fountain. With the plains meet mountains. Let it flow like a fountain. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. I'm coming Ohana, I practice this entire set in our Ohana barn, where we eat every week and we come together as a family in peace to shut out the world. The Valley of the Blue Moon. I waited my whole life to get to this place. I'm never leaving. I love my family. I want to say what's up to my family. Dankeschön. Ja.